Manitobans know that their province is a wonderful place to call home, and it's the people of Manitoba who make it such a great place to live. If you know somebody who has made significant contributions to Manitoba's social, cultural, or economic well-being, you can help them to gain the recognition they deserve. The Order of Manitoba is the highest honor in our province, and we are looking for new nominations. Manitobans who have been inducted into the order in the past have worked tirelessly to create a healthy, vibrant, and just community. They have advanced our understanding of our world. They have created prosperity through innovation and hard work. They have entertained and inspired us with their talents and creativity. Nominating a deserving Manitoban is a way of saying thanks for making our home a better place for all of us. Visit the website manitobalg.ca for nomination forms and more information on the Order of Manitoba.